why Adobe Elements is best for the hobbyist and the people who love to cherish the memories and events of their life. You should go and look at the features which are provided in the Adobe Elements. Photoshop Elements and Premiere Elements can be useful in three different ways. Number one, you can do manual editing. Like you can bring in your movies, you can bring in your photos, and you can do whatever you want using these two tools. Let's go to the second phase. Second is we have a huge list of features which can guide you and give you a very good output. You see the list of the features and then you decide what kind of output you want, and then within minutes you get that. And the third thing is that, if you add photos and videos to the Adobe Elements, whenever you log in next, based on machine learning capabilities, Adobe Elements provides very good outputs to you without even lifting your finger. Next time you log in, you see some of the outputs already created in the system, which is ready to be shared. So these are the three different ways Adobe Elements can be useful for you. I hope this video helps you in deciding which tool is best for you.